Yo, what's poppin', guys? That's DJI back again for another video. Today is November 23rd. One more month until winter, and guess what? Today we finally received one of the packages from TRBK, and inside the package we got 3 brake pads and a brand new front tire that's already installed on the motor, as well as 2 controllers, This is still all the stuff that came with the scooter. I haven't installed anything yet. I don't have any time at the moment. I'm working 3 consecutive days, and I'm gonna need like maybe the whole day to experiment and stuff. So feel me. This is gonna be done sometime soon, probably during this week. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna include some pictures of what's in the box. And yeah, man. We're heading to work at the moment. It's 4. No, it's 3. 3 what? Hold on, let me check the time. 3:28. Yeah, man, let's just go on a ride. I'm very excited to see what that will look like when I switch out the stuff. So first thing I'm gonna do is change the change the front tire / motor. That's the first thing I'm gonna do, and it should be pretty plug and play. I have sockets, I just need a ratchet, and I do have an electric drill thingy, but I don't want to strip my bowl, so I'm just gonna get me a ratchet from one of the car stores in front. There's one right there. It's called Arch Auto Parts, and there is also AutoZone not too far away from me as well. It's like 1 mile away, something like that. Have 223 miles on the scooter, and we still have not experienced the full capacity of this thing, which gets me really excited. Sage, the guy that knows every single factory in China pretty much, who also recommended me this scooter. His is working fine. He says the power is so much that he doesn't ride it and he doesn't ride it higher than gear 1. Bro, he's suffering from success, bro. That's crazy. I triggered the speed camera. I saw the reflection on the truck. my dad's cousin is moving out of state, and he had a moped that he left with us to sell for him. It's a little, I think 50cc moped, and he caps out at 45 miles an hour. I've gone 55 on this, but that's crazy. But I want to make a video of me riding this thing. I haven't rode a gas moped since like 2017, bro. I was 12 at the time, if I'm not mistaken. So this is gonna definitely be an experience now that I've got more experience under my belt, you know. Shit, I was gonna turn here. Damn. Alright, whatever. Seems like people are really digging the upgrades on the scooter, man. The wider handlebars, the grip, the hand guards. The video is doing pretty well. The first ride video with the new stuff, so that's good. That car is so low, bro. It's like not even 4 foot tall. That's crazy, bro. Like I can see miles ahead in front of this tiny ass car. Yo, did this guy's car just break down on him, like right in the middle of the road like that? Yo, that's crazy, son. Hold on. Actually, I think he's on the phone calling like tow truck or something. I don't think he would just be chilling in the middle of the road like that with his hazards. It's kind of a bummer that this stuff took this long to arrive, the motor and controllers. Bummer because winter is almost upon us, and at the slightest sign of snow, I will not be scooting anymore, bro. No way. So like the 200 odd miles that we have on the scooter would have been way more fun if the scooter was running at full power, you know what I mean? We ended up riding right behind the car, bro. New York cops do it on purpose. They ride slow so they could get you to overtake them and then pull you over. They literally rage bait you until you pass them, bro. That's crazy. We got a white truck making a right-hand turn. Already riding with my lights on. Like, even if it's daytime, I keep my lights on from now on, because more visibility. Why would you refuse more visibility? You know what I mean? I would go in front of the car, but I ain't looking for trouble, bro. I'm literally just trying to head to work in one piece, you know what I mean? Nobody got time to waste going to court or like fighting tickets or whatever, you know? So let's just chill right here and, you know, let the cop do his thing in the front while we chill in the back, not the other way around. I hear a motorcycle if I'm not wrong. Nah, I think it's a BMW. bro. Anyways guys, that's about it for right now. I'll see you guys once it gets dark.